ikhomishana kaMadlanga ipheka ngembuzo usayitsheni ufana inkosi mayelana ke nekhadi lasebhange likaVusumuzi Khet Matlala nokukholakala ukuthi lalihlala kuye unkosi. Sezitholakale zonke izintombo ke eyinhlanu zezisebenzi ebezigqibeke emathunjini omhlaba emayeni eKapa eKimberley esifundazweni iNorthern Cape. Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela Leon Schreiber namhlanje ubeyohlola isimo emngceleni iBadbridge eMusina isifundazweni eLimpopo lokuza njengoba ke kubhekwe kumpela sonto yephasika ngenyanga ezayo. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke izindabeni ke zohora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke la ku SABC Lehigh mina ke igama lami nginguDaud Phungula ake singene kuzo umbukeli ezihamba phambili mina nje. Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga singenele kosukwini lwesithupha namhlanje njengoba ke siqhubeka nokuhloma ngembuzo usayitsheni ufana inkosi oyilungu lophiko lwisana namacala obugebengu obuhleliwe obekugxile kukho ke kusukela ke kuseni udaba lwekhadi lasebhange likasomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Khet Matlala elahlezi ke kusayitsheni inkosi.
Usayitsheni ufana inkosi ukhuluma ngezinto ebezinokushayisana kakhulu estatementini sakhe ngodaba lwekhadi lasebhange likaKhet Matlala elalinga kuye. Ohola ofakazi kulesi ithangami sekhomishana uAdvocate Matthew Chaskalson utshele usayitsheni inkosi ukuthi ungaphumeli kwakho obala ngodaba lwekhadi likaMatlala kungenxa ukuthi uzama ukufihla okuthile ongenzeka ukuthi khamisana nensolo zokufumbathisa okwakwenziwa ngoMatlala.
You see, I have my own theory about what that card was about. My theory is that that card was given to you by Mr. Matlala as a means of allowing you to draw cash from Mr. Matlala's accounts. In other words, essentially to pay a bribe either to you or to General Sabir through you. And that the reason for all of these contradictions is that you're trying to work out a version that would plausibly explain your possession of the card in innocent terms.
My answer to that is false again. One, Mr. Matlala had no reason to pay the so-called bribe to me via card. One, to elaborate on that, I did not have anything or means to make nor to push Mr. Matlala to pay bribe on me. I was not investigating him. I did not do him anything or any favors.
Isithangami sekhomishana kulindeleke ukuthi siphothule namhlanje ukuphekwa ngembuzo kaSayitsheni inkosi osekuusuku lwesithupha iphekwe ngobhojwana.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Umsolo wesibili ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyi wawubongani intanzi uvumile ukuthi waboleka imali ebhange iCapitec kodwa kunama account afundela wona ke enkantolo angawazi inhlobo.
Ubongani Ntanzi uvumile ukuthi unayo iaccount eyodwa eCapitec kodwa lena enye inombolo yeaccount abambizela yona enkantolo akayazi.
Mina zange ngithi angiyazi phambi kwekhotha akaze ngokukhuluma lokho. Mina ngithe Capitec loan nginayo azange ngikhuluma ukuthi Capitec loan aninayo. Mina into ngithi angiyazi lama account ongifundela wona. Mina uphinde futhi lapha uthi mawuzothwena le number le iyefana nale but ngalena ayinayo lo 2001. Kusenkantolo ngisho njalo phambi kosenkantolo. Mina ngineka account e1 eCapitec. Engiyaziyo mina lebhalwe lapha kuleli phepha. Lana ngibizela wona akaze ngibizwe ngisho Capitec ngitshene ngalama account mina ngiwazi.
Inkantolo imbuzo ukuthi waboleka imali kuyiphi iaccount eCapitec njengoba kukhona namanye ama-account avela yona.
Ngethemba sengiphendula amahlandla amaningi. Themne kosenkantolo iloni naye eCapitec noma sengasakhumbula ukuthi ayanene kodwa iloni naye angayiqedi imali yakhe.
uNtanzi-ke ubuchithile ubufakazi obuthi wayesina ingoma namagedangoma aseFosloras.
Manje le nkulumo leyelala ayilona iqiniso ukuthi nangangigida ingoma nabantu baseFosloras. Abantu baseFosloras bengidibana nayo emakhaya ngoba mangelapha eGoli ngigida nabantu abahlukene. Mase sesemakhaya ngiyahamba ngesipanini sangakithi.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Liyaqhubeka enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ihlezi lisikisiki icala elibhekene nabasolwa abayisithupha abasolwa ke ngokusoconga abantu abayishumi engobozane lisikisiki ngo-2024. Kanti ukuzwa kabanzi ke sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uNomzwanele Mngoma onkanise khona lapha ke elisikisiki. Nomzwanele, asikubingelele sikwamukele ke ezindabeni zehora lokuqala emini besacela nje usibeke isithombeni ngosekuqhubeke enkantolo namhlanje.
Manibulise Dawudi nibulise nakubabukeli be-SABC. Okwanamhlanje umphathi wephondo kwi-unit ye-serious and violent crimes uBrigadier Duduzile Mngulu nguye osaseqongeni ophekwa ngemibuzo ligqwetha lika-accused number 2 kunye nelika-accused number 3 and accused number 4 bezama ke ukuveza into yokuba i-clients zabo zaye zatorturishwa ukuze zenze i-statement. Kukhona ke into nje i-confusion ibike yakhona okanye into engekacaci kubungqinwa obunikwa nguBrigadier Ngculu ngokuba ubungqina bakhe abunikileyo uthetha ngokuba basuka beligqiza lamapolisa besuka eMonti besiya straight eBizana nalapho babezoyonikezwa abarhanelwa ababanjwa ePort Shepstone. Kodwa ke amagqwetha ayiveza into yokuba uBrigadier Ngculu uyaphikisana ne-testimonies zangaphambili ezenziwe ngamanye amapolisa ngoba athi wona amanye ayeselusikisiki ngexesha ayefumana umyalelo kodwa yena uBrigadier Ngculu uthi babesendleleni esuka eMonti besiya elusikisiki. Kodwa ke ngoko-observation yam endiyenzileyo kwi-testimonies zangaphambili ewe amanye amapolisa ayatsho athi ayesuka eMonti babesuka ukubamba uAbi osi-state witness ngoku. So indlela yabo ayizange isuke straight to eMonti to eBizana kodwa baye baza elusikisiki bezokumvalela. Kodwa ke ithi lonto babesendleleni eyayisuka eMonti abanye ke babesePort St Johns. So amagqwetha ebesamxelela into yokuba ingaba ngiyedwa na othetha into eyinyaniso ephikisa amanye amapolisa. Kodwa ke ingcazelo sisezayifumana banzi. Kodwa ke okwangoku icourt iyeyama igqwetha lomrhanelwa wesine esampheka ngemibuzo kulapho ke ebezama nokucacisa into yoba banganyanisa abanye besithi bebekwezindawo babekuzo kuba babengahambi ngemoto enye bengahambi ngeroute A1 yiyo lento babekwindawo ezahlukeneyo kodwa besuka kwindawo A1. Sisazova banzi ke isizawuqhuba icourt njengoba kusathathe ibreak usazawuqhuba igqwetha kamrhanelwa wesine uBongayinza empheka ngemibuzo endiyokhumbula into yoba ezona njongo zale trial within a trial kukuveza into yokuba ingaba nyani na abarhanelwa batorturishwa ngoba kukhona nabanye abathi bafuthanyiselwa ngeplastiki kusithiwa mabangqishe as a sign yoba baredi ukwenza i-statement bathathwa behanjiswa ngobusuku not kwi-direction apho bekumele babaye khona ukuyokwenza i-statement zabo kodwa behanjiswa ngobusuku besiswa kwilali besitsho ke nalapho ukuba babebethwa. Dawud.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uNomzwanele Mngoma esibikela bukhoma ke eSelsikisiki lapha ke eEastern Cape. Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela uLeon Schreiber namhlanje ubeyohlola ke isimo emngceleni iBeitbridge eMusina ngesifundazweni eLimpopo lokuza ke njengoba ke kubhekwe kumpela sonto yephasika ngenyanga ezayo. Schreiber ke ubehambisana ke noCommissioner wophiko olubhekele imingcele iBMA uDokotela uMichael Masiabato.
Umnyango wezasekhaya uphiko oluqapha imingcele iBMA kanye nabakwaSidlodlo basemngceleni iBeitbridge ngenhloso yokuhlola ukuthi usukulungele yini ukubhekana nesiminyaminya sephasika. Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela Leon Schreiber uthi unethemba lokuthi konke kuzohamba ngononina.
I'm confident that as far as it goes for legitimate travelers, people who need to travel over Easter, that the process is in place. I've extended the operating hours for a number of ports of entry to make sure that we don't congest where we don't have to. So I think that's also going to assist those legitimate travelers who, of course, we do want to facilitate a good process while at the same time we deal with the security issues and people trying to smuggle or come into the country illegally.
uSchreiber uqhubeke wathi nokho ijoka labo selithanda ukuba lula njengoba besebenzisa amakhamera andize emoyeni ngenhloso yokuqapha beqa umngcele ngokungemthetho.
It really is quite incredible to see the power of these drones. I mean, for the very first time ever, we have the ability to see people moving kilometers away from Beitbridge port of entry or another port of entry, trying to cross into South Africa. And a few minutes ago, right here behind me, there were people who were intercepted and arrested because we are able to now use the technology to detect where people are moving.
Ngaphezu kwalokho bazophinde babe namakhamera afakwa izisebenzi uma zisebenza, kanti bazophinda futhi basebenzisane nenkampani ebizwa nge-DCD ezobelekelela ngezimoto ezingadubuleki nabazosebenzisa uma beqapha emngceleni.
Mbokele sathi qo eyitolo siyabuya ke nezinye izindaba manyakazi. Mbokele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena udabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi namhlanje ikhomishana kaMadlanga iphika ngembuzo usayitshela ufana inkosi mayelana ke nekhadi lasebhange likaVusumuzi Khet Matlala nokukholakala ukuthi lahlala kuye unkosi. Mbokela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Siyaqhubeka namhlanje isigcawu esiphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi wophiko lwe-NPA eSouth Gauteng wa-Advocate Andrew Chauke kanti ke usihlalo wenhlangano yamatekisi kwamaphumulo lapha kwamaphumulo uSiphamandla Mhlongo ucele ukuthi ke ezokwethula ke ubufakazi kulesi sigcawu ke sejaji uBess Nkabinde esisingethe lolu phenyo.
Ngemuva kwekhefu lamasonto amabili, usihlalo wenhlangano yamatekisi kwamaphumulo uSiphamandla Mhlongo ucela ukuba yingxenye yofakazi kulesigcawu sejaji uBess Nkabinde esiphenya ngomqondisi we-NPA eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke. Ummeli kaChauke uAdvocate Thembeka Ngcuka Ithobi ubuza uMhlongo ukuthi kungani esijube ukuba yingxenye yalolu phenyo.
Witness because you volunteered yourself, so I just want for you to put the panel in a perspective of how you became to where you are today.
The reasons for me wanting to come and testify is because there is a lot that is happening even currently in our environment that involves the KwaZulu-Natal Police and part of and other departments, which I see it emanates from what has happened during the Ketso Manor times.
What steps did you take to make sure that you are testifying today?
I conducted the team, the Chauke team, in order for me to be able to assist them to unravel the truth of what has happened before.
Lekuziphatheni okungekho emthethweni okusolwa ngamalungu ophiko laseKhetho Manor biyaqhubeka.
Inhlangano iCash and Transit Association ethi yize izibalo zonyaka u2025-2026 zikhombisa ukuthi izigameko zokuduna ke kwezimoto ezithwala imali zehleke ngamaphesenti angama50 nomuvo kodwa ke kunokukhathazeka ngesifundazwe eKwaZulu Natal.
Isifundazwe iKwaZulu Natal silele isibili silandela eGauteng ngesibalo esiphezulu sokuduna kwezimoto ezithwala imali. Amaphoyisa athi lolu hlobo lobugebengu lwenzeka uma izimoto zemali zisemgwaqeni bese kuba khona imoto emisayo bese abasolwa basebenzisa ibhomu ukuyivula. Uphenyo luveze ukuthi lezi igebengu zincamela ukuboshwa noma zibulawe zidubulane namaphoyisa kunokukhipha ongqondongqondo.
There is a big boss who runs this operation. His is to get information on where the car will move and then he will know who he needs. Then he will get his people to go and do the job. That's why most of the time you will find the criminals who went and committed the robbery on the same day, but they've got no money. That's why these CIT robbers are so brazen that when they see police, they rather die than risk being arrested and having to tell the police who sent them.
Inhlangano iCash and Transit Association ithi sehlile isibalo sezigameko zokuduna kwalezi imoto kuzwelonke ngenxa yokubambisana kwayo nabezomthetho.
We're making great inroads, and it's only through this collaborative effort by assisting each other and working together with law enforcement and the South African CIT companies and industry that we will see the numbers further go down. We need to keep on working together. We need to keep on focusing on these criminal elements. And we need to make sure that we bring them to book and we put them behind bars.
Amaphoyisa ke anxusa umphakathi ukuthi ungalinge usondele ezindaweni zezigameko zokuduna kwezimoto ezithwala imali njengoba kungaba khona ubungozi.
Namanje sisathuthumela izakhamuzi zaseBrekestad uma ke ngabe kukhulunywa ngesigameko sokudubula esenzeka kwenyanga yezindawo zokucima ukoma nalapho kwangena khona uShasbam ababehlome beyingovola bafike bavulela ke ngenhlamvu kwashona abantu abacela ke 10 kanti abanye baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela. Namhlanje ke kuhlangana ke izinyanga ezintathu kwenzeka lesigameko.
Lesigameko esashining labantu libambe ngozansi sisashisa emqondweni abantu bakulendawo. Kuba ukuthi iningi labantu lalisazidika ngamanzi amponjwana ngesikhathi kugulukedela iqebane lamadoda ayehlomile avulela ngenhlamvu kwalala uyaca. Kwabanye santsontsothe emjunju ngokwenzeka ngozibandlela nyakenye.
Andiyazi into yandibuyisayo ngoba ndasendihambile nalomfana sihlala sonke pha endlini. Ndithi sisiyolala ndaphinde ndabuya mina back kuba ndandibuyiswa intoni andazi kuba ndethuwa sensesibhedlela ndiyacinga ndathi ayinoba ndiye ndathatha la 100 rand bendiyishiyile pha ndaphinde ndawuthenga utywala.
Izakhamuzi kulendawo namanje sisathuthumele ngemuva ukuthi kubikwe esinye isigameko obude buduze nala ukwehla khona lesehlo nyakenye. Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi amaphoyisa kumele akwazi ukusihlukanisa kahle asabalale uma isebenza kulendawo.
We still afraid. We need some protective things like maybe the soldiers, they will come, I don't know.
Ungodwe zokuphepha uthi uphiko lozobunhloli lona okumele lube bukhali wathi nomphakathi kumele usebenzisane namaphoyisa ukuze kuxhakathiswe izigilamkhuba endaweni.
We are losing the strategy of crime prevention, crime combating and crime detection because our intelligence does not help us to prevent crimes.
Umnikazi kulendawo yokucima ukoma wakhalela amasonga sigonyela ngemva kokuvela kwezinsolo ezithi imvuma sebenza ngayo eyomgunyathi kanti ungaphandle ngebheyili.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zase-Atteridgeville kakhulukazi Salisbury eTshwane zithi ke ziphela ngokwesaba ngenxa yokwanda kobugebengu obunodlame kanti zicela ke ukuthunyelelwa kwamasosha e-SANDF ajutshwe ke ngokusemthethweni eGauteng ukulwa nodlame.
Amalungu ombutho zokuvikela agcina ethelekile eWestbury eGoli kulandela umyalelo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wokuthi azojutshwa ezindaweni okudlange kuzo ubugebengu. Manje ezinye izindawo ezifana neAtteridgeville sezifuna ukuthi kutshalwe amasosha nakuzo.
It is necessary for soldiers to come here so that they may search such weapons like firearms.
Please, we ask police force to make sure that once in a blue moon, let's make sure that every Saturday or every weekend in long weekends, let's see them moving around all over.
Bring in the soldiers so that the place can be clean, more especially on the weekends.
Ngozibandlela odlule kubulawa abantu abayi12 okubalwa kubo izingane ezintathu ehostela lase Salisbury ngemuva kwezinyanga ezintathu izakhamuzi zakhona zithi zisalala obenyoni futhi sezithembele kuwo umbutho wezokuvikela.
Yes, we live in fear. I just want maybe to patrol and look at everything that is going around me.
Abaholi bomphakathi bathi ukuthunyelwa kwamasosha kuzoletha uzinzo kwehlise nezinga lobugebengu obuhleliwe.
It will boost the morality of the police because police are coming but they don't have that energy. So they have to come here to search, especially those vehicles, the vehicles that are moving around the street, roaming around the street without no number plates. They must also check for illegal firearms that are roaming also.
Izakhamuzi zase-Atteridgeville ikakhulukazi ezihlala emahostela zicela ukuthi amasosha athunyelwe ngokusheshsha kule ndawo.
Sezikhishwe zonhlanu yezidumbu zezisebenzi ke zemayini eKapa Minerals ebeziloku zavaleleka mhla ziyi-17 kuNhlolanja ngenyanga edlule kanti ke ungqongqoshe kwezamagugu ambiwayo uGwede Mantashe ubuyele kuyo le mayini eseKimberley esifundazweni eNorthern Cape namhlanje.
Ithimba ebelithungathi idumbu zalaba bavaleleke emaphakathi nenyanga eyedlule emayini eKapa Minerals ligcine likwazile ukuyikhipha zonke idumbu zezisebenzi ezinhlanu. Isidumbu sokuqala sakhishwa ngomsombuluko esontweni eledlule kanti ezinye imbili ikhishwe izolo ekseni. Kusenjalo ezinye imbili bese isele zibe seyikhishwa khona namhlanje ekseni. Ungqongqoshe wezamagugu ambiwayo uGwede Mantashe uvakashele yona le mayini eseKimberley esifundazweni Northern Cape kanti ubese evakasha okwesithathu namhlanje. Le mayini eDayimane eqashe izisebenzi engaphezulu kwenkulungwane isifaka isicelo sokuba ivalwe ingabi sasebenza.
Mbukeli usale kahle.